Tonight, I'm going on a ferry, and I'm going to be riding on Yeosu Pampada. As Minnie C sang to me earlier, my birthday present. It's a great song, based on this city, Yeosu. Hey guys, Biggie here. Tonight, I'm taking my first night ferry in South Korea. Watch my previous videos for more information. But I'm about to drive to the ferry terminal, and at the ferry terminal, I'm gonna park my car, I'm gonna go upstairs, and I have reserved a 4-person room, not just for myself, but there will be 3 random strangers in there. It's an overnight, I said bus almost, it's an overnight ferry. It goes from 1:40 in the morning to 7:30 in the morning. I'll probably get on a little bit early, so I could maximum have maybe 7 hours of sleep. I'm trying to figure out what to do. I have a sleeping pill I'm gonna take. I have my headphones that I'm gonna put on. What I don't know is what to wear in a room with 4 random people. So I guess what I'm gonna do is just in my backpack put my sleep clothes and just see what other people do. I mean, these clothes are comfortable enough, but they're not like great to sleep in. I'm hoping to be able to show you a nice ferry and get a good night's sleep. But if it comes down to either getting a good night's sleep or showing you a ferry, I'm gonna choose sleep, and here's why. I get into Jeju Island at 7:30 in the morning. That's about an hour away from my school. My school day starts at 8:10. You see the problem. I've arranged substitutes for the morning, but anytime somebody teaches my class, they're missing out on a class. So even if I can get back on time, I wanna teach the earliest class that I can. So. Hopefully, I'll be able to get back, have a good night's sleep, and feel refreshed in the morning. If I don't get any sleep and I'm completely like jet lagged, then I'm not gonna go to work. I'll let the sub take over. I do wanna throw a quick shout out and recommendation for this just very simple, but very adequate and very clean and very nice guest house. This is called Nabijam. Nabijam. It means butterfly jam. I don't know what jam. Spot? Butterfly spot, maybe? Anyways, the room is clean. It's very simple. There's nothing fancy, but it's a great place to stay, and it's like $25 a night. That's what I love about Korea. Vietnam, you can get $25 a night, you can get $5 a night, but it's not going to be nice. Sometimes you might get lucky, but I think predict it's going to be pretty nice most of the time. Let's get something to eat. Simple food at a simple restaurant. Today we're going with kimchi fried rice. It's basic, it's a staple, but I'm not too hungry because I had a great lunch. Watch my previous videos for that great lunch. Here it is. This brings back so many memories. It's probably the most basic of the foods that I've eaten in Seoul, in Korea. It's probably the most common meal. But again, here we are in the south of the country. It's a basic dish. It's just sold everywhere in Korea. But here we go. And the flavor's a little bit stronger, a little more spicy. The ratios are different. Because I like stronger flavor, which is great. And the part that brings back the most memories, to be honest, is the soup. Soup is just pretty much water and flavoring and salt. But on a cold night, which this night has become suddenly, and I'm still in short sleeves, there's nothing quite as warming to the soul as clear soup. Alright, on to the ferry. There it is, there's the boat. Let's go. It's craziness. It's telling everywhere to go. It's a big boat, too. I don't know where to go for pay for ticket. They registered me online, but I haven't paid yet. Got my car on the ship though, so guess I got to go. Anyways, this is the first night ship. The inaugural flight. Here we go. Here's the Handle Express ticketing office. It's so quiet up here, but I guess I have to wait an hour to get the tickets. I brought the car in 2 hours early. I already have tickets, I just have to pay for it, I guess. The ticket line. Getting tired. I'm gonna get to the room and sleep. This is a big freaking boat. Holy crap, look at this thing. Massive. Kind of even bigger from up here. Semis, cars. More than expected. Got a cafeteria, stairs. Advertises for some food. Even have some old school arcades. It's crazy. Okay, where's my room key? There we go, 245. It's me at the very end here. Alright. B at the bottom bunk, nice. I got bed, view of the ocean, little TV, little floor table, and then we have a sink. Not bad for a $50 boat ride. It's gonna take 6 hours. It's cheaper than a train. Not cheaper than an airplane though here, weirdly. Alright, this is me. Good night, folks. See you in the morning. Well, I slept some, as well as I can sleep, I guess. Probably got 3 or 4 hours of sleep, but it was a really rocky boat ride. Sometimes that I thought, I don't know, I wondered if we were gonna flip over. Woke up in the middle of the night, it's going like this, hear the creaking, I'm like, goodness, this is it. But I had to fall asleep thinking, well, I'm either gonna die or I'm not gonna die. I can't control it, so I just need to sleep. There she is, all tied up. The penalty for me arriving early is that my car is probably the last one to leave.